Most ERP operations still rely on manual work, leading to costly errors and inefficient workflows. Meet Agility Intelligence, practical AI that works alongside your existing systems to cut costs and improve efficiency. Our AI interpreter eliminates manual order entry, automatically extracting data from documents and leaving you with up to a 70% reduction in manual labor. AI packing optimizes every shipment, speeding up your fulfillment while reducing freight costs by as much as 35%. AI production adapts your schedules in real time, driving significant increase in productivity as demands change. And with the AI agent, you can query your own data and complete transactions using simple natural language. Ask, act, done. These are proven results. We deliver high accuracy automation that empowers your team to work smarter. That's why we're trusted by operation leaders to provide AI that is forward-thinking and, above all, practical. Book your live demo today at agilityintel.ai.